Hey everybody, it's Sid here. Welcome back to another Animal Jam video. It's day 7 of the Jam Holiday Countdown, aka 12 days of Animal Jam, and well, time to do some stuff. First, you change the Holly wristband back to Frost Paws. Rice Paws. Now doing Frost Paws today. So first order of business, this Tamati gift is kind of silly because they accidentally did an to where they glitched the member one to make it just load forever and ever and ever, and you can't change the color. But with the non-member one, you can change it to be snowy and not snowy, which is very interesting. So I don't know what's going to be happening with that, so I recommend you trying to get that. Hello, it's an entire gingerbread house. Yay, gingerbread armor is kind of funny. So just gonna see what's going on. Not much. What? It's a gnome, and a living one at that. Gnomes? I love gnomes. Oh my god. I almost said no, my god. I need to, tell you. I love gnomes. Breaking news. There's been a gnome sighting in Jamal. Hello, mister. You know what's gonna surprise them? You know what's better than one gnome? 2 gnomes. Unless they're dressing up as a weird zombie boyfriend. Oh my god! Is that another gnome? Who is this mysterious lion gnome? It's me. I know! The gas. Horse! 2 gnomes. Perhaps Mr. D's is also a gnome. I don't know. Hello. I'm Gnod, a Gun elf. I'm not a gnoblin. This store must be owned by a band of gnomes. I'm a gnome, and you've been gnomed. Perhaps we've been gnomed. Perhaps you are correct. You have indeed been gnomed. Godspeed. Godspeed to you too. I need to buddy this person right now. Yes, buddy the gnome. Yes, Mr. Holmes. Wait, is this Sherlock? Oh my god, this is the most chaotic thing. Oh my god, no. Okay, wait, I kind of want to buddy you now. No, my buddy was darn it. I had no idea you were RPing Sherlock. Aw, man. Well, it was very interesting. So what did we do today? We bumped into a Sherlock roleplay. Yeah. Then we found a gnome, and then we gnomed that gnome. This is peak Sid 54321 content. This is what, oh my gosh, this is what every decision of my life has led down to. The things you do on this game. The things you do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.